Dear students, do you find difficulty in understanding the topic? Don't you have enough questions for practice? Do you use multiple books to read theory and practicing questions? If yes, then we have answer to all of your problems. Complete Adhyan, a topic-wise textbook, can fulfill all your needs. In this video, we will explain the features, benefits, and advantages of Complete Adhyan, a topic-wise textbook for class 10th English. This book is published by Sahitya Bhavan. This book is as per the latest UP board syllabus. Now, the question is, why should we choose Complete Adhyan? Because it covers complete theory, complete questions answers, and complete self-assessment. Let's look at some of the important features of the book. The syllabus has been given in the book for ready reference. As per the board exam syllabus, the content of the book has been divided into various groups such as prose, poetry, supplementary, and grammar. The prose section starts with about the author, followed by summary in both English and Hindi. In each chapter, para-wise explanation is given in Hindi with important word meaning and passage-based questions and answers. For exam practice, solve long answer type questions, short answer type questions, and vocabulary-based questions are also given. The next feature is self-assessment corner. In this section, extra unsolved questions have been given for self-assessment. Self-assessment questions will help you to know how well you have understood the chapter, which is an advantage for higher marks. The next section is poetry. At the beginning of every chapter, about the poet is given, followed by summary of the poem in both the languages. In every poem, stanza-wise explanation is given in Hindi with important word meanings. Stanza-based questions and answers are also given. It will help you to focus on each stanza. If every stanza is understood well, then you can answer any question and achieve higher marks in exams. Central idea of each poem is also given, followed by self-assessment corner. The next section is supplementary. Each chapter covers the summary of the lesson in Hindi and English, important characters, passage-wise explanation in Hindi. To help you to do the complete preparation of the exam, various types of questions are also included, such as short answer type questions, true or false, and objective type questions. Extra unsolved questions have also been given for self-assessment. In the next section, grammar, each topic starts with a definition and rules to master the concept. The other feature is Let's Recall. It covers important aspects of the chapter. It will help you to do quick revision of the chapter. Plenty of solved examples are given to understand the concept, and enough unsolved questions are given for students to practice on their own. In the end, the separate section of internal evaluation has also been provided. It will help students to prepare for internal examinations. Hence, this book will act as a self-study guide for revision and preparation for the exam. In the book, material is presented in easy and to the point manner with enough questions for practice. The book is available in two formats, printed book and ebook. You can buy the printed book online from our website www.sahityabhavan.co.in or Amazon or Flipkart. You can buy the ebook online from our website www.sahityabhavan.co.in. To buy this book, you can also scan this QR code. For any query, you can call us at 8958500333. You can also WhatsApp at 8958500021. You can also email us at buyer@sahityabhavan.co.in. Subscribe to our channel for more updates.